The warehouse layout is as shown in the figure. Smart warehouses adopt a dual-channel in two robotic arm configuration. Visualization windows enable real-time monitoring of the status of equipment inside the warehouse. Dual inbound port design can accommodate 480 tray cache. Manually place the material tray into the fixture. The AGV for hand cart will take the fixture away and transport it to the smart warehouse. The mechanism automatically lifts the material tray. The manipulator places the material tray onto the photography station. The robotic arm transports the material tray to the storage location assigned by the system. During outbound, the robotic arm takes out the materials and places them onto the lower level belt line. Sorting ports can be configured to output initial backup materials or subsequent materials as needed. The AGV transports the empty rod string to the docking station. The empty rod string is transported to the feeding station via the roller line. The industrial camera identifies the material tray information. The manipulator places the material tray into the rod string. Full rod strings are conveyed to the discharge outlet of the rod string sorter. Manually place the empty box into the empty box entrance. The empty box is transported to the feeding station via the roller. The manipulator automatically places the material tray into the plastic frame. Full plastic frames are conveyed to the discharge outlet of the plastic frame sorter.